Ready to get your child's Walden Moves fundraising page started? It's easy. In just a few steps, you'll register your student, set a fundraising goal, and then receive a link to create and share their personal fundraising page. First, head to the Walden Moves event page. You'll find the link on the screen. Once you're there, click Register at the top of the page. Next, select your child's grade level. Student registration is free, and if you're registering more than one child, you can add additional participants during the registration process. Now it's time to set a fundraising goal. Choose an amount that feels exciting and achievable for your child. A goal gives friends and family something specific to help you reach. Enter the parent or guardian's contact information, including your name, email address, and mailing address. Be sure to use an email address you check regularly. Your confirmation email will include the link you need to set up your child's fundraising page. Next, you'll see a few optional add-ons, including Walden Moves t-shirts and parent tickets. These are completely optional and are separate from creating your child's fundraising page. Review your registration, including any optional purchases or gifts. When everything looks good, click Complete Registration. Now check your inbox for your Walden Moves confirmation email. This email contains the link to set up your child's personal fundraising page. Click the link and you're ready for the fun part. Make the page your child's own. Add a photo, share a few words about why they're participating, and make sure their fundraising goal is clear. A personal message makes it easier for friends and family to connect with their story. Finally, copy your child's fundraising page link and share it with family and friends. Send it by text or email, share it on social media, and keep sharing as your child gets closer to their goal. Every share helps build the excitement for Walden Moves. Let's get moving!